ATKR stock analysis and price predictions. Is it a buy? Watch this short 1-minute video till the end, find out. Looking at Atkore stock, we're sitting at $64.14. It's 20% down. Context, I've gotten thousands of correct predictions over the last 4 years, and I've spent thousands on courses and mentors and documented everything. And just looking at ATKR, this is in a big correction phase. It went from $183 to $64 in a span of how much? Yeah, it's a decent amount of time, don't get me wrong, 300 days, but it's still something that's just kept melting and melting and melting. And genuinely, I'm not even trying to be a hater, but I do see this thing melting even more unless I start seeing breaks above 80 bucks or something like that. Not a big fan of this, and it's not like I haven't seen this happen thousands of times beforehand as well. So yeah, that's just my 2 cents on this. Or maybe there could be like a big catalyst, but I don't quite frankly care. For right now, it's bearish for me. But if you want to make more money trading in a simple way, click the first link in the description. It's a free newsletter.